Hey guys, this is Warren. Uh, and today we're going to solve some of the problem. And what we have here on this equation is to solve the problem. The first thing we do, we factor and then we simplify the equation. So what we have, example we have today is y power 3 plus 27, all this divided to y power 2 minus 3y plus 9. So the way we solve kind of the problem like this one, the first thing we do, we factor the first on the top, and then we see if we can solve those two problems in the bottom. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at 3 y power 3 plus 27. So the way we factor the thing, the equation, is to see, so the first one, it should be y, I don't know, you can see it, plus 3. And times y power 2 minus 3y plus 9. All these are divided to y power 2 minus 3y plus 9. And as you can see, what we can do, we can cancel those two, and then we can see those. So those is going to go with this one equal 1 here, and then this one is equal 1. So the answer should leave with y plus 3. And that should be your answer. So what we did actually, we factored the one on the top, and we got y plus 3. All this time 3 power 2 minus 3y plus 9. And we divided the whole thing to the bottom, which is y power 2 minus 3y plus 9. And the way you can do to make sure you got it right is to multiply y plus this one. You're going to get the same answer on the top. So this is how it's so simple, and this is how you solve the type of the problem like this one. And we're going to have another example to solve this one. So the answer should be 3 plus y. So let's look for another problem here. The question here should be w power 2 minus 16. All this divided to w power 3 minus 64. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to factor the first one. So the first one, it should be w minus 4, and the other one, it should be a w minus 4. So as you can see here, And the one on the bottom should be, so we factor the one on the bottom, it should be a W minus 4. The whole thing, it should be equal W square minus 4W plus 16. And as you can see here, the 4 minus W should go with this one. So the answer should be a W plus 4, and the whole thing should be W, I don't know, you can see it, plus 4W plus 16. And that's your answer. Because what we did actually, we factored the W power 2, which is equal 4 times minus 4, and the 1 here, we cancel those 2. This is what left over, so the answer should be a W plus 4, and W's power 2 plus 4W plus 16. That's your answer. Thank you.